We have already worked with print, int, ord, len and type function. You can see the description of these functions in the slide given here. Now I'm going to explain the purpose of str and slice function. Str function converts the given value to string. So let's say if I create a variable n and I assign value 12 to it, so n contains an integer value, and now I write a variable v and assign strn to it. An integer value has been changed to string. Now you can see that the output shows number 12 in single quotes, which denotes that it is a string value. So using the type function, we can check the type of variable v. It says str, that means variable v contains a string type value. The str function can take float and integer as parameters, which will change the data type of the numbers or the floating point value to a string. Now number 12 will not behave like a number, rather it will behave like a string. So let's see how this will work. If I write v plus 4, that means I am trying to add 4 to number 12. This returns an error which is a type error because 4 cannot be added to number 12, and we can concatenate only strings using the plus operator. If I try to add or concatenate an integer value, this will return into this error. Now let's say if I write v plus single quotes 4, that means I am trying to join or concatenate digit 4, which is a string type value right now, will be attached at the end of the value contained in variable v. So this is how concatenation operator works in Python. Next is slice function. It is similar to what we did in the previous tutorial, extracting some part of the string. So let's say if I create a variable a and I assign value Python 3.8 to it. Now to extract some characters from variable a, I'll write 1:7:2, which means I am trying to fetch characters from index 1 till index 6 with a step count of 2. So it returns letters y, h and n. Similar tasks can be performed with the help of slice function. So let's say if I write n equal to slice, in the bracket I can specify only stop value or start, stop and step value. So I write here 1:7:2. Now this variable n now contains the slicing values which we will be performing on variable a. So this can be done by simply writing the variable n inside the square brackets, and you can see the same output is generated what we did with the colon operator in case of slicing.